How to add or upload video on Google Drive and share the link on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy on full step on how you can easily upload the video on Google Drive and share the link. Well, there are certain steps. It is not quite easy and go on Google Drive. First thing, you want to open up Google Drive and tap on the plus icon and proceed to upload the file. Now for the sake of the video, I'll just upload a short video or an image right here quickly. So you can see the MP4. You want to proceed to upload. You can select location, you can select the account and proceed to upload it. Once you have uploaded it, you want to simply reload. You can see it's uploading. It will take some time. So let it get uploaded here real quick. Once it has been uploaded, you can simply tap on three dots here and tap on first manage access. Don't proceed to share it, but first here tap on manage access and you can see general access. You want to tap on change. And you can see, as you can see, only people added can open. You want to change it to anyone with the link. And what you can do is you can proceed to set it anyone with the link. Now this way, anyone with the link will be able to view it or access it. Then you can save it. Once you have done so, proceed to tap on three dots and then now tap on share. Now you can add them here directly, or you can tap on three dots and copy the link and proceed to share the link on WhatsApp or Messenger or any other social media sharing platforms. This is how you can easily upload video on Google Drive and share link in mobile. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe as well.